In a flight of 600 km, an aircraft was slowed due to weather. The average speed for the trip was reduced by 200 kilometers per hour and the time of flight was increased by 30 minutes. Find the original duration of the flight. So students, in this particular sum, we need to find the original duration of the flight, right? So duration means the time taken. So how much is the original time taken by the flight? So let me begin with supposing that the speed, let the original speed of flight be x kilometers per hour, right? So this is the routine speed at which the flight speed is, the speed of the flight, suppose it to be x. Now speed को हमने x suppose कर लिया and look at this distance. Distance is given 600 km. So distance, if I divide by speed, I am going to get the time. So how much time? So time taken by flight to cover 600 km equal to, the formula of time is distance upon speed. So this much time is taken by the flight to cover 600 km. Now due to bad weather, the speed of the trip was reduced by 200 km. Reduced means minus. Speed of the flight was reduced by 200 km. It means that now the new speed is x minus 200. Initially it was x. अब ये speed 200 kilometers per hour कम हो चुकी है. So now the new speed is x minus 200 kilometers per hour. Right? So because the speed has changed, the time will also change. So let's find out the new time. So time taken by flight to cover 600 km equal to, again the same formula, time is equal to distance upon speed, right? So this is the new time and this is the original time, or we can say the routine time when the speed was x, and this is the change in the time when the speed is reduced. अब students, जब speed कम होगी तो time ज़्यादा होगा. So this is the bigger time and this is the smaller time. The difference of the time is given 30 minutes. It means इन दोनों time का difference is given 30 minutes, right? So let me take the difference. 600 upon x minus 200 minus 600 upon x is equal to 30 minutes. Because ये minutes में है और speed kilometers per hour में है, so let me convert minutes into hours. Let us divide this by 60 to convert minutes into hours. Now let's go further. Let me take 600 common. So 600 common, what remains? 1 upon x minus 200 minus 1 upon x equal to 30 upon 60 is 1 by 2, right? So let's go further. Let me take LCM here. X minus 200, this is the LCM, right? So x 1 is x and x minus 200 multiplied by 1 is x minus 200 equal to 1 upon 1200. How I got 1200? Cross multiply. 600 2s are 1200. Let's go further. So x as it is, open the bracket, x minus x plus 200 upon x square minus 200 equal to 1 upon 1200, right? So x cancel. So what remains with me is 200 upon x square minus 200 equal to 1 upon 1200, right? Now let's cross multiply. 12 2s are 24 right? So 24, 2 and 2, 4 zeros. So this becomes 2,40,000 is equal to x square minus 200. So x square minus 200 minus 2,40,000 is equal to 0. अब मुझे करना है स्प्लिट द मिडिल टर्म. स्प्लिट द मिडिल टर्म का ट्रिक देखिए. अगर इतने सारे ज़ीरोज़ को देख के डर मत जाना. Forget all the zeros. Forget all the zeros. Now you are left with 24. Think of 24 के फैक्टर्स माइनस करने से 2 आए. सो 24 के फैक्टर्स माइनस करने से 2 आए. ऐसे फैक्टर्स होते हैं 6 4 ज़ा. आई रिपीट, फैक्टर्स ऑफ 24 आर 6 and 4. और मेरे 24 के पीछे 4 ज़ीरोज़ हैं. सो डिवाइड 4 zeros equally. Give 2 zeros to 600, give 2 zeros to 400. So your factors are 600 and 400. So let's go. So x square minus 600x. Yes students, I forgot to put x here. So x square minus 600x plus 400x minus 2,40,000. Yes, I repeat students, here I forgot to put x. Just have a look here. So x into x is x square and x into 200 will be 200x. Right? So 600 and 400 are our factors. Let's take common. X common. What remains with me? X minus 600. Take 400 common here. X minus 600. So x minus 600 and x plus 400 are your factors. So x equal to 600 or x equal to minus 400, right? But speed cannot be negative. Right? We all know that speed is always positive. So the original speed of the plane is 600 kilometers per hour. So we got the speed of the flight 600 kilometers per hour. But listen, we need to find the duration. Duration मतलब time. कितना time flight ने लिया? So duration of flight equal to, duration means time. So duration of flight, time equal to distance upon speed. Distance was 600 kilometer and speed was 600 kilometers per hour. 600 cancel. Answer is 1 hour. Right students? So this is a very simple question of quadratic equation. Hope everything is clear.